Welcome to the world of auto news. In this video, we are going to check out the new Panoramic i-Cockpit that will debut on the 2024 Peugeot e-3008. The Peugeot e-3008 is an upcoming electric SUV that will be based on the new EVMP platform and will rival the likes of the VW ID.4 and the Nissan Ariya. The e-3008 will feature a sleek and futuristic design, with a prominent grille, vertical LED headlights, and a coupe-like roofline. The e-3008 will also sport a unique LED light signature at the rear, with a horizontal bar connecting the taillights. The interior of the e-3008 will offer a spacious and functional cabin with recycled materials and digital innovations. The highlight of the interior will be the new Panoramic i-Cockpit, which will consist of a single 12.3-inch touchscreen that serves as both the infotainment system and the instrument cluster. The touchscreen will run on Peugeot's Google-based interface, which will offer Google Maps, Google Assistant, and wireless smartphone integration. The Panoramic i-Cockpit will also feature a sound bar instead of individual speakers, which Peugeot claims will improve the sound quality and reduce weight. Under the hood, the e-3008 will offer a hybrid powertrain based on a 1.5-liter three-cylinder gasoline engine and an electric motor. The system will produce a combined output of 134 horsepower and 185 Nm of torque. The e-3008 will be able to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, in 9.2 seconds and reach a top speed of 175 km per hour, 109 miles per hour. The e-3008 will also support fast charging up to 100 kilowatts, which will be able to replenish 80% of the battery in about 40 minutes. The Peugeot e-3008 will debut on June 5, 2023, and will go on sale in Europe and other selected markets in early 2024. The pricing and specifications will be announced closer to launch. The e-3008 will compete with other subcompact crossovers such as the Hyundai Kona, Kia Stonic, and Nissan Juke. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more auto news and reviews. See you next time.